I make $5,639 every single week with the Amazon affiliate program, and no, I don't run ads, I don't have a massive following, and I didn't spend a month building a website. In this video, I'm revealing the exact strategy I use to turn simple product links into passive weekly income using free traffic. I'll walk you through real earnings, what product to promote, and how we can start doing this today even if you are starting from zero. Let's dive in because this method is working right now. So you just need to follow those steps that I will share with you. Make sure to watch the video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. This is my summary here, my commissions and my bounties over here. So step number one for people who want to start making money with the Amazon affiliate program, step number one, you need to create an affiliate account like this one. And I made this commission, guys, just in the last 7 days, as you can see over here. Okay, anyway, step number one, like I said, you need to create an affiliate account like this one with the Amazon affiliate program. So what you will do, it's super easy and simple. Just go to Google and search for Amazon Associate, click on the first link over here, and you will be directly in this page. Click on sign up, and as you can see, you will be in this page again. Click here on create your Amazon account, and as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name and last name, email address, your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. Sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to follow a few steps and that's it. And you guys can start this business, this affiliate marketing program, from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Once you finish your sign up process, this will be your homepage, and you should have an account like this one with the Amazon Associate or Amazon Affiliate program. You should see your summary here, commissions, bounties, commissions, and summary. Okay, anyway, what you need to do next is you need to choose good product that you will start promoting as an Amazon affiliate marketer using free traffic, of course. Okay, so what we need to do next is we need to go to Amazon. Go and open your amazon.com like this, open Amazon website, and I will share with you guys a profitable niche that I'm working on, and that's making me so much commissions every single week. Okay, this is the niche, guys. This niche is crazy, and I'll share with you the proof, the numbers, and so on. Okay, so I will click here on the search result of Amazon, and I will search for beauty. This niche, guys, is super profitable niche that you can start with as a beginner. Search for beauty, scroll down, and here you go. You will find here a lot of products about beauty. Okay, so skincare and beauty products, guys, those products are getting crazy sales on Amazon. Okay, not just on Amazon, everywhere. People are making crazy money with those products, and people are paying for those products crazy money. Okay, so this is the best and the profitable niche that you can start with as a beginner with Amazon affiliate program. Step focus, please. I want you to focus in this step. You need to choose good products. How we can choose good products, guys? Always choose products. For example, in this niche, in beauty niche, you should choose product that got at least over 10,000 sales in the past month. Okay, so let me show you. Look at this one. Over 60k thousand people paid for this product, guys, in the past month. You see the numbers? The numbers don't lie. You can see here, this is the proof. They are working. People are buying those products. Okay, every single month, every single week, every single day. Okay, here is another product. Over 30,000 people paid for this product in the past month. This is meaning that over 30,000, this product got over 30,000 sales in the past month. Okay, I will scroll more to find good products. Look at this one. Look at this one. That's crazy, guys. Over 100k people paid for this product in the past month. Do you see this? Numbers don't lie. Okay, and here you go. So you find a niche. This is a good, a profitable niche that you can start with. So now let's choose good products. So let's scroll down to see if we can find more. We have also this one, guys. You see this one? Over 8,000 people paid for this one in the past month. This one is a good one. I can scroll more here to find a good one that we will use to promote our Amazon affiliate our Amazon affiliate links as an Amazon affiliate marketer. So we need to choose good product. So let me scroll more. Okay, I will go back. I think I will choose this one, guys. Look at this one. That's crazy. Over 80,000 people paid for this one in the past month. This is crazy, guys. Okay, let me see here. I'm gonna choose like okay, let's go. I think I will choose this one, guys. This one is a good one. Over 8,000 people paid for this one in the past month. So this one, let's choose this one. I'm gonna click on this product. Just click on the product that you want to use, and you will be directly in this product page on Amazon. Who told you that Amazon is not paying good commission? You can see that this category, premium beauty, you guys, the commission rate, it's up to 10%. Okay, which is really good. It's fair enough, and it's a good commission for you to make commission using free traffic. 10% is a good commission, guys. Okay, so what you will do next, you need a video that you will use to promote this product with free traffic. So pay close attention. Copy the product name, this one. I will copy this name here, and to find the video that you guys can use, you need to go to TikTok. Open your TikTok account like this, and click on the TikTok search bar and put the name of this Amazon product title here, okay? And click on the search. So you will find a lot of videos, guys, here on TikTok that will help you to promote this Amazon product as an Amazon affiliate marketer. What you need to do is you need to choose a good video. So let's choose one. Let's pick one of the videos. You can scroll down. You will find a lot of videos. You can even test up to 5 videos and see which video convert better and double what's working and avoid what's not working. So for example, I'm gonna choose like the first video. I will click on this video here. This creator is sharing his experience and he is talking about this product. I will stop the video, and what you need to do next is you need to copy this TikTok video link from here, okay? And you will go back to Google and you will search for this website. Search for Snaptic, okay? And click here and put the link of this TikTok video here and click on download. So you can download this TikTok video to your laptop and use it to promote this Amazon affiliate product. You can click on download over here and the video will be downloading to your laptop, okay? You see here, what you need to do next, guys, is you need to create a business account with Pinterest, because we will use Pinterest to promote our products. And go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link. They will ask you, do you want to create business account or personal account? Make sure to use and to choose a business account. It's better. And you should know that Pinterest, guys, has 1 billion monthly visitors, meaning that you can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you are doing correctly, if you are using good SEO for your pins, and if you are promoting the right product that people will be interested to buy from you, okay? That are getting already those products that you will start promoting, they should already getting sales on Amazon, okay? If they are not getting at least over 10,000 sales in the past month, don't use them, okay? Focus on those products, okay, that are in the beauty niche and that are getting up at least over 10,000 sales in the past month, okay? I hope it's clear. So what you need to do next, guys, is you will go back to this Pinterest homepage, click on home feed and click on create pin, and here you go. You need to click over here and upload the video that you download from TikTok, this one. Open. This is my video, guys. It's not my video, it's a creator TikTok video. So what I will do, I will click on title and I need to create a good eye-catching title. So I will go back to this Amazon product page. I will copy this title, copy from this part. I will copy just this part, and what I will do, guys, is I will use ChatGPT. I will use AI to help me create good title pins that will get clicks and that will help me to make commissions on Pinterest. So I will ask ChatGPT to turn this Amazon product, title, okay, into Pinterest pin title, and use good SEO, and they will put the title of this Amazon product here and click over here, and here you go, this is your title. Okay, copy this title and go back to Pinterest and put this title here. Description, go back to ChatGPT, okay, and ask him. So here is a Pinterest pin description, but here is also the tags. But what I will do, this is the most important part, guys. So if you need and if you want to avoid suspended and the problems with Pinterest, you need to follow Pinterest rules. And what you will do, guys, since we are using this TikTok video from this TikTok creator, we need to give a credit to this creator. So I will click on his name and I will copy his name, and I will go to ChatGPT and I will ask him, okay, mention in the pin description the credit of this TikTok creator, and put the TikTok creator name here and click over here, and ChatGPT will create a description with the name of this creator, of this TikTok creator. Okay, it's super important because you are not using your videos, you are using other people's videos, but if you are giving credit to those creators, you are fine and you will be good, and you can use those videos. Okay, you can see here, credit to TikTok creator for sharing her amazing results and experience, which is really good. Okay, so what I will do next, I need to put my affiliate link here. I will go back to this Amazon product page. To get your affiliate link, guys, you need to click on get link, and this will be your Amazon affiliate link. Go back to Pinterest and put this Amazon affiliate link here. Scroll down, click on choose a board. If you have a new account, click on create a board. You just need to give it a name, and that's it. You need tags. You will go back to ChatGPT and you will find here tags and hashtags. Okay, you see here. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, give me just tags. Okay, I want just tags. Okay, and here you go, you can copy and paste. I will copy this tags, go back to this place, and here you go, and put all your tags here. It's better to remove this hashtag over here. Okay, so remove do this hashtag and put just those tags. Okay, once you finish, click on publish, and here you go, you just published your first Amazon affiliate link on Pinterest. That's how we can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's how we can start Amazon affiliate program as a beginner with free traffic using Pinterest. That's how we can choose a good, a profitable product. That's how we can scale. It's just by double what's working and avoid what's not working. You will find videos on TikTok, so you just need to copy and paste. Of course, you need to still do some research, do more effort. And for me, guys, I do also use YouTube Shorts to promote my Amazon affiliate links and get free traffic, because YouTube Shorts also, the videos on YouTube Shorts, they go viral, and I'm getting crazy traffic from YouTube Shorts. Okay, if you want to see the method with the YouTube Shorts, comment Amazon affiliate marketing in this video, and I'll share with you my new YouTube Shorts method that I'm using to promote my Amazon affiliate links on YouTube Shorts. Thank you so much for watching. I do also have an affiliate marketing course for people who are interested and they want to take this business seriously. feel free to reach out to me in my email address. You will get access to all my profitable product that I'm promoting. How do I create my own content? You can also copy this method that I shared with you in this video. Also, inside my course, you will get access to advanced uh, strategies, methods that will help you to scale fast and make your commissions. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.